Hello friend, today we see HP Laserjet Pro M404dw printer wireless setup. So let's go. At first we go to our browser and go to your printer. Here input your printer IP. Our printer IP is 192.168.250.230. We press this IP and go to our printer information. So everybody see this, here have one option, network. We go to network option and also click the wireless settings, because we set up wireless Wi-Fi setup. So you click the wireless button. Here see IPv4 configuration, click here and press OK. Here see that here have some option to input your IP address. Click the manual button. First select the manual IP and input the IP address. Here put your new IP for wireless setting. This is our IP address. Here input the subnet marks. Our subnet marks is 255.255.255.0, and here input the default gateway. Our gateway is 192.168.250.2. Then here input the alternative DNS or preferable DNS. So first input the DNS. Here have complete input DNS. Now press OK. We press OK and again now go to browser for check the wireless IP address. Here we input 192.168.250.230. This is the Wi-Fi IP address for HP Laserjet Pro printer. Here everybody see this. Before here have other IP address, now have 230, because this is the wireless IP address. Now go to the printer. Everybody see this. Here have LAN cable input. We open the printer. This printer is already open. Our printer is already running. Everybody see this. Here have some option. This is the OK button. Our printer is ready now. This printer is already running in LAN cable. Everybody see this. This printer is ready. The printer is already ready. Here have only one Wi-Fi button. Everybody now see this button is now disabled. This button is now disabled. This printer is ready with LAN IP address. When we remove the LAN cable. Now everybody see this. Here have one button, Wi-Fi button, signal up and down. Everybody see that. This Wi-Fi button is up and down. The Wi-Fi button is up and down. Now we click the Wi-Fi button and here see wireless setting option have show the display. Now we set up the wireless setting. When we set up, then everybody see here have setting wireless setting for Wi-Fi protect. Press OK. Here press OK. Here everybody see this. When we press OK, the display show push the WPS button for open the router. Here have everybody see this. Here have one button, Wi-Fi router WPS button. We open the button and push the 3 second. Then automatically, everybody see this, automatically connecting the router. Already connected. Everybody see that already that router connected to our printer. Here everybody see that in this time the Wi-Fi signal is already connected. Now you can print the document without cable. This network summary IP address show that the printer is ready to print. Here now we input our wireless IP and press OK. We press OK. Here everybody see that this is our printer display option. We go to wireless setting and click here and click the status button. Everybody see that here have one option, network name SSID POPI AC221. This is the router name, Wi-Fi router name, which is connect the printer. Here the status is connected. This is connected, already connected. This Wi-Fi router is already connected our printer. Now we can print easily. Use Wi-Fi. Here everybody see wireless signal is already connected, status connected, and IP address is 192.168.250.230. This is the Wi-Fi IP address. The wireless setup is complete now. I hope everybody can understand how to install the HP Laserjet Pro M404dw printer wireless setup. I also hope everybody can understand the video. If the video can helpful, please like, comments and share this video. And also I say everybody, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.